Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how to make healthy chocolate avocado cream pie. This is a vegan pie recipe. It's keto friendly, healthy, high protein, sugar free, and of my favorite keto pie recipes. I simply love this recipe because it's so healthy and no one ever gets to know that you have an avocado hiding inside a chocolate pie. So start the recipe by making the base. For the base, I'll first take raw almonds, some pitted dates for sweetness. Next goes in some shredded coconut, and finally some cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder and some coconut oil. I'll simply blend them all until it gets smooth and sticky in a high-speed blender. And there you go, my base is ready. I'll transfer this to my removable base pie dish, even it out and let it settle down in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, to make the avocado mousse, I'll slice open an avocado, remove the pit, and then I'll scoop out the avocado flesh and add this to a blender along with some unsweetened cocoa powder, some thick coconut cream, and finally some monk fruit sweetener. This is a vegan sweetener. I'll simply blend them all until it gets smooth and creamy. And there you go, my avocado mousse is also ready. I simply love this avocado mousse recipe as well. This is one of my go-to desserts which I love to serve to my friends and family when they are up for a treat. Now I'll add this mousse to my settled pie crust and let it settle down again for 30 to 50 minutes. Now remember to even it out using the back of a spoon or a knife so that you have a perfectly set pie crust. This looks so satisfying and one of my favorite things to do. I'll allow them to settle down in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and once it's done, you can see how wonderful my avocado chocolate cream pie looks. This is so easy and super delicious. Also top with some chopped pistachios for that added texture and color, and trust me, you will love this recipe. Follow Recipe Magic for more such easy, healthy and keto-friendly vegan recipes which I'm sure won't ever disappoint you. Also, these recipes are so easy to make. You can find the full recipe in the description box below, and I'm sure you will love making this recipe for your loved ones. This avocado chocolate cream pie has less than 12 grams of carbs per serving and is such a healthy, high-protein vegan dessert recipe which I love to serve to my friends who are vegan. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. This is how you make easy vegan chocolate avocado pie. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you have any questions, post it below in the comment section so that I can answer them for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such easy and quick healthy videos which will help you to make your holidays even much better. Find the full recipe in the description box and have a great day.